Look at that, Vland tail light. I always have to break something, as you guys see. It's finally installed. What's up? Welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to install something on the GTI, and it's gonna make my GTI look insane, I think. I hope so. Ta-da! You already saw this because I explained some of this in my other videos. Look at that, Vland tail light. For the first part we're gonna start easy. Those are the outside lights. Let's call it like that. These lights. We have to remove this, then unscrew something, and it should be good. The centerpiece should be a little bit harder, so you gotta take all the plastic off and all the wiring and stuff besides here. So yeah, that's gonna take the most time, and it's gonna be the hardest part about this. Yeah, let's just start off with the easy parts and unscrew the outside tail lights. I got my tail lights off, only the outside ones. This was actually pretty easy because, yeah, only like I said, you have to unscrew this, take this off the tail light, and you just could push it out from the inside and take it out from the outside. It was pretty easy to get them out. Now it's actually time to install these bad boys onto the car. I only saw a video on YouTube that it's a little bit harder to put them back on instead of get them out, but that's always the case. Breaking things is easier than fixing things. Let's just put the Vland tail lights onto the car. Oh, satisfying. Okay, I got the first one in, but it's a little bit still loose. The fitting is not as perfect as the original ones over there. There's a little gap between the car and the tail light. Maybe I can fix it, but I think I will leave it on for now. This thing is pretty strong now, so it shouldn't come off. It's only a little bit of the fitting, that gap. So maybe later I will fix that, but first we're gonna install the rest of the lights. So I got the other one in as well. This one fits in pretty good, so I don't know why. It also has this gap between here. Yeah, but it fits better than this one. So I don't know if I put that thing in correctly or not. So I'm gonna try this again. So everything is installed, only the outside tail lights. I already saw how they work, but I'm not gonna show you, because you have to wait till the end of the installation video. Then I'm gonna show you how they look. Now it's time to install the small tail lights. So let's do that. We have to take off all this plastic and stuff like that. There should be all clips, only except over here and over here. There should be 2 screws. And then I can take off the plastic and we should be good to go to install the tail lights. I got this piece off, but not without any damage. Of course we had to break something. This piece right here, I don't know how important it is. I always have to break something, as you guys see. Fortunately this broke off, so. But it is finally off, and it took me quite a while because it was quite a struggle to get that stuff off. It was pretty annoying. And now it's time to get this piece off. Hope this will be easier than the other part. So got the other piece out. As you can see, it's fully stripped now. And yeah, I think I'm going to the store to get this fixed. Now it's time to stick on the broken piece. Let's hope that the glue will work. It has to dry for 3 hours. I think then I will be done installing the lights. It should not take me 3 hours. Just have to be patient enough, and then we can install those plastic pieces back on the car. Now it's time to unscrew the lights that you can see over here. There are 2 bolts, one over here and one over here. Same on the other side, one over here, one over there. Disconnect the electrical things, and then we should be good to go to get the tail lights out. Got the tail lights out, the small ones. Now it's gonna be pretty hard to hide the wires into the car, and I have to hide the wires somehow. They're around this piece right here or somewhere between there, but I saw somebody do it between here. Yeah, and that's gonna be the hard part, because it also has to go right here to hide the wires. I just have to figure out how to do it, so gonna watch a tutorial, see how it's been done, and then gonna try to install it. So I got that loose over here, and as you can see, I already did a little bit of the wires. It's a little bit of a struggle. You can't really see it. Nah, you can't really see it on camera, but you don't got much space. It's just a little gap where you can put these wires through. Yeah, it's quite a struggle, because you have to take this a little bit loose in order to get your hands on there, because it's not that easy. But I finally fixed it, as you can see. Now it's time to work our way onto the top over here, because the wires have to go through here, over here, like I already said, under there, onto the lights, and then we should be good to go. I'm done with the wiring, sorta. I want the wire to go to the rubber, but it's just an impossible mission to do. You can't do it. I also watched a tutorial on YouTube. They also couldn't do that and couldn't fit the wiring through here, because yeah, there's just no space for that. I've just chosen to do it like this, get some black tape or something. This is just the hardest part that there is, really. Now it's time to put on the tail lights on the car, install those back again, and connect the wires to it. So as you can see, I'm now done with the wiring. Look at this, I tie this up with a zip tie. I placed that little box over here. I think that box for the flashing indicators to work together. I connected all this Already tested it out. Now the only thing that I have to do is to put the plastic panels on and we should be good to go. I almost installed everything, I guess. It's quite a struggle because, let me show you guys. These pieces are getting out of shape. When you push a little bit too hard on the wrong place, then you get a shape like this, and it's supposed to be shaped like this. The only thing we have to install back on the car is this plastic piece. It still has to dry. So I have to wait, I don't know, 1 hour more or something like that, and then we can install this. We are almost done. Got the plastic panels on and stuff like that. It was really hard to get them on. It was quite a big struggle. We only have to put the panels over here and over here. And we also did this right here. We had to make a gap to fit the wires. Yeah, look at this. Just duct tape and tie wraps. The most used product in a car community. And my sister helped me with that. So to my sister, if you are watching, thank you. She's probably not watching, but... So now we only have to install this and then we are finally done, because look at this mess in my trunk, mate.
Perfect.
Finally done after a lot of long hours finding out how to install everything. It's finally installed. Look at this. New Vland tail lights. This is actually the most requested mod on my channel, so here it is. I actually want to drive to a nice place to flex out my tail lights, because now I'm actually gonna use my indicators. Never did that, never used it, but now I'm actually gonna use it just to flex on the people behind me. Yeah, it's just freaking sick, man, and I put so much work in that. It was quite a big struggle to do all the wiring and stuff like that. And I'm also gonna end up this video right here, so if you like this video, please leave a like, also drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my socials, on TikTok and on Instagram, R19Robbin. And with that having said, guys, houdoe.